Welcome back to the channel. In this episode the temperature rises in the Loire Valley, so it's time to step off the gas, park up and enjoy the moment. Beaugency provides a beautiful park up location and allows us to enjoy the banks of the Loire as well as discovering the local history. I left you in the last episode having had an exhilarating day at Orléans and a night park up at an aire in a small village called Aire.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.
A short 10-minute drive to Beaugency is all that is needed this morning, as long as we can get a space in the air, of course.
Buildings, as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light.
So to recap on the journey of the Loire Valley part of the Getaway, we actually haven't travelled that far. Starting at Sully-sur-Loire, we have travelled around just 50 miles over 5 nights.
We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Now this has been very relaxing, but you'll see in the next episode where this slow approach to travel catches up on me and causes an issue.
Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed.
Beaugency is a small picturesque town on the Loire River, known for its rich medieval heritage and dramatic history.
We're gonna do it all again.
This includes the pivotal liberation by Joan of Arc that I described in the last Orléans episode.
From the sky, just two hearts run.
Today its beautiful preserved monuments, winding lanes and riverside vistas is hopefully what I will discover.
We're gonna be.
The air that is provided by the community is in a prime position actually on the banks of the Loire, with views across to the Pont de Beaugency, or Bridge of Beaugency to you and me. We actually didn't realise it at the time, but this ended up being an extended stay as it became such a relaxing, beautiful spot that we actually fell in love with it. So had a good night last night, very small air. We could have stopped another night there actually because it was so nice, a nice little park by it, but we decided to come down, noticed a little air. It's only got about 8 or 9 places. Down at Beaugency, or Beaugency I want to say. It's right by the River Loire. We're just going to probably stay here possibly for 2 nights just to recharge, reset ourselves, do a few little admin type jobs. But there's also the little town here has got quite a few things to go and see as well, so I'm sure we'll go around there as well in the next 24-48 hours. So we finally got our final spot. We've come down one only because we can get a better view. I don't know if you can see we've got a better view from the side there, so we can open the side door, which is great. So there's actually toilets at this one, which is nice. Well, they're public toilets, but they're right on the site here. And there's bins at the end. Paper, I think that's plastic. Plastic. Looks quite a popular spot because it's only 11:30 in the morning. All the bays are full bar 1, I think. Time to have a look round, albeit it will be a slow walk as it's really hot today. The iconic stone bridge with 26 arches spanning the Loire has carried traffic since medieval times. It once controlled the only crossing in the region, shaping Beaugency's fortunes. The bridge was also the witness to one of the biggest surrenders, where on September the 16th, 1944, 18,850 German trapped soldiers, along with thousands of vehicles, horses and weapons, surrendered to the Allies. That's a hotel on the side of the Abbey. I presume the hotel's not the Abbey. Probably a nice 22 degrees at the moment. It's lovely. Just down by the river, just walking along the river. We'll go up into the town tomorrow. Just lazing about today. I'm guessing all the history behind these will be in the past, I guess. Merchants on the river. Each house we notice is completely different. It's really nice. They do the shutters so well, don't they? I'm guessing that's like an outdoor theatre area. Clocher Saint-Famant, if I got that pronounced right, was once a vibrant church. Now only the tower actually remains. As previously mentioned, the recapture of Beaugency by Joan of Arc was crucial because it was a strategic river crossing and a key logistical point for both military and supply movements. Well, it's been a hot walk walking around these streets, so the local tobacco provides a welcoming watering hole. Harry's French Doors provides the view for the afternoon, and a tasty burger by the river is a perfect end to the day. Everybody's got the same thought as me, get a photograph. That's the reason why. Autumnal mist this morning over the Loire. Just starting to lift. It's going to be warm today. Had a good night last night. A few more late vans arrived to squeeze in more than the spaces, but according to the park for night, that happens regularly. But all good. Peaceful. Today's laundry day, so Jane's going to go off and do the laundry first thing while I catch up on a few things. Don't know if you can see, but there's hundreds and hundreds of spider webs over here, all caught in the dew and the sun in the morning. That's this morning's view, and just while we're making breakfast. It's going to be about 24 degrees today. We explore further the colourful Beaugency back streets. The abbey in Beaugency is a Romanesque style and it was built in the 12th century. It played a key role in French history, hosting the 1152 religious council that actually annulled the marriage of King Louis VII and Eleanor of Aquitaine, a decision that was pivotal for the political landscape of medieval Europe, and it led up to the 100 Years' War. The abbey also suffered extensive damage during the French Wars of Religion when it was burnt down in 1568, but it was rebuilt in the mid-1600s. Today, the abbey serves as the parish church for the residents of Beaugency. So I must admit, the French know how to do an abbey, that's for certain. Just meandering around the streets, you will easily discover little views and things to see. And you can easily imagine townfolk over the years going about their daily work. Well, I'll leave it there as I go to bed, rigging up my new cooling fan in the skylight. So as you can see, I've got the torch on at the moment in the dark. The battery was about to shut down. So tune into the next episode where I push Harry's batteries to the max and have a problem.